welcome back to another video. Today in this video, I'll be showing you baby birds that we have out in our porch. Over here in that porch are where the baby birds live. I will get a closer view and a closer look at the birds in just a second. Around over here is where it is, over here. You can see a part of the nest up there. But how you see it, it's through that crack over there. We'll get to that. We'll get to the close look at the birds. And baby there, look at that. So adorable, look at it. Look at that baby. Look at the beak wide open. Look at that birdie. So cute. Oh, there's like two in there. Look at how happy they are. Look how cute they are. So cute birdies. Birds right under our porch. Right under our porch. So cute. That's basically all I have today in this video. Hope you liked the video. So, bye.